everyone and welcome back to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to download and install plugins on your Minecraft server. Now for this you will need a Spigot, Paper, or Bucket Minecraft server. If you have any of those, you're good to go. If you don't, there's a link at the eye at the top of your screen that will show you how to set up a Spigot server in order to add plugins to it. It goes over every single process, it's very in-depth, and if you've got a Minecraft server running vanilla, it's very easy to do. It's the same process, just with a new type of server file that allows plugins. Think of it like Forge, which is for modded Minecraft, but instead for plugins and being able to run those on your Minecraft server. Now before we get on into this, we do have a message from our sponsor, which is Apex Minecraft Hosting. Go to the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Apex. Get an incredible 24-hour DDoS protected Minecraft server for you and your friends. We have Apex so much that we actually host our own server on them, play.breakdowncraft.com. So if you want a very easy and quick to set up server that can run plugins with just a few clicks, they even have one-click plugin installation over at Apex Minecraft Hosting. You can check them out at the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Apex. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and jump right on into this. So first things first, you need to download a plugin, right? To do that, you can come here. This is our top 10 list of Bucket and Spigot plugins. All these are actually updated for 1.14, so you don't have to worry about that. I know this video up here says 1.13 too, but we're releasing our 1.14 video in like a few days. But right now, this tutorial comes first. It's kind of confusing, but nevertheless, these are updated for 1.14. So when you scroll down here, you can see essentials, all of this stuff. In this video, I think we're going to be doing two plugins. We're going to be using MCMMO. So if we go ahead and click on this here, we'll be able to click the download now button. And we're also going to be doing grief prevention. So as you can see, grief prevention here, very popular survival based plugin. So in the bottom left, we do have mcmmo.jar. We want to keep that. And then on grief prevention, now you'll see this is actually for 1.13, but it works on 1.14. So don't worry about that. Go ahead and click download on grief prevention. That'll download in the bottom left where we're going to keep the file. Now if we go ahead and minimize our browser here on our desktop, we have two plugins, MCMMO and grief prevention. Now at this point I do want to mention that if you started a new server for this and you want to keep your world, there is a link at the eye at the top of your screen up there that shows you how to transfer worlds from one Minecraft server to another in order to, let's say, update the server or switch from vanilla to Spigot, allowing you to have plugins. Just a little quick thing I wanted to mention for those of you who are starting a new server in order to do this and don't want to lose your old world. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and open up our Spigot server. Again, you should already have it set up using the link in the description down below on how to do that, or at the eye at the top of your screen. But once you're in here, you should have a plugins folder. If you don't, you need a Spigot, Paper, or Bucket server. Let's go ahead and double click on that plugins folder, and then it's as easy as drag and dropping MCMMO and grief prevention into this. Now at this point, we can go ahead and double click on the run.bat file. It is going to take 20 seconds for this server to start up. I'm going to just do a quick jump cut, and as soon as it's done, as soon as that 20 seconds has passed, I'll start talking again. There we go. As we can see, we are loading libraries. Please wait. That is the sign that your server is in fact starting up. And there it goes, starting everything up. Now, at this point, it is going to load on the plugins, or load the plugins on up. As you can see, loading MCMMO there, loading that on up. And then if we go into the plugins folder here, we'll actually see a folder for MCMMO. Now, grief prevention doesn't trigger until after the world has loaded here, so that will pop up, but we do have to wait for all the spawn areas and everything to do that, and then as you can see, enabling grief prevention, and our grief prevention data folder did appear. Now in here, you'll be able to find the config and everything like that of all of your different Minecraft plugin options. It's overwhelming, but it is all here. So as you can see, here's the MCMMO config. Right there it is. But nevertheless, we do have various plugin tutorials, and you can check out our playlist at the eye at the top of your screen for all of our plugin tutorials for different Minecraft plugins. However, once you're here, what we need to do is just open up Minecraft. You've installed plugins at this point. I'm just going to show you how they work. So we can direct connect and join server. I guess not how they work. I'm just going to prove to you that they're in game. It really is as easy as downloading them and dropping them in your plugins folder. Now, you might have an issue, or you might have like different issues that could happen as far as like you might install a plugin that actually isn't compatible for 1.14.1. At that point, it wouldn't work. And how would you know that? Well, you can do /pl in game, which is going to do /plugins, which as you can see, we have two plugins, MCMMO and grief prevention. If there's a plugin there that's red, that means it's not working. It didn't work. There was an error. It didn't activate because of it. And that is something you need to look into. It might not be compatible for 1.14.1, or there could just be something conflicting, like another plugin, something like that. But as you can see, we do have MCMMO and grief prevention there. If you have any questions about installing plugins on your Spigot server, let us know in the comment section down below. And if you're looking for an incredible Skyblock server or grief-protected, player economy-based survival server with quests and all sorts of awesome stuff, come play with us on play.breakdowncraft.com. It's a random Friday, and there are 191 players online, 192 now. So come play with us, the best survival community, the best Skyblock community out there, over 100 players on each server on the weekend. So come play with us. You will absolutely love it. Play.breakdowncraft.com is the IP. Nevertheless, my name is Nick. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if it helps you out for more awesome content every single day. And I am out. Peace.